We celebrate this marriage before God to express our faith that in the unknown future, their loyalty, understanding, and healing of one another is supported by God's power and love, that they live in God and God in them. We celebrate this wedding at the church because we believe that they are undertaking a mission to each other, with prayer that this love will grow throughout their lives and bring many blessings to them and to all of us, and with hope that having loved one another as Jesus loves us, they may be with Him and see forever the glory which was His before the foundation of the world. Jim Rocky, Eva Marie, God bless. As representative of the Universal Church, I declare that Jim Rocky is the husband of Eva Marie, the beautiful wife of Jim Rocky. Jim, you may now kiss your beautiful wife.
Dami-dami natin pinagdaanan, ilang away, bati-away, pero lagi sa huli, pinipili pa rin natin yung isa't isa. Nadaanan na yata natin lahat ng problema, pagsubok, sa tagal ng panahon na magkasama tayo. Ilang beses din tayong muntik na, pero ulit-ulit tayo pa rin.
Shining through the night, I saw it then, I see it now. We're left for dead, but we'll make it out one small step.
Pasensya ka na kung natagalan tayo bago makasal. Kung napili mo na nahuli ka na. Pero at least nandito na tayo. Sa best part ng buhay natin. Gusto ko lang din mag-thank you dahil naniwala ka. Darating tayo dito.
Thank you sa lahat. Diyan sila sa akin all throughout. Kahit hanggang magkaanak ako, nandiyan sila, nakatulong sila sa akin. So, very thankful, and if life mauulit, I will still choose them, as my parents. So, yun lang.
Kung sa lahat, salamat dahil niwala ka sa akin. Kaya salamat na kung ano man ako ngayon, dahil din sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari, pangako ko lang, di tayo magkaintindihan, naman problema, walang pasa natin yan. Alam mo naman ang buhay, di lagi masaya. Ito lang hindi ko nasasabi sa'yo. Pero proud ako kung ano man yung na-achieve mo. Ito na, nandito na tayo. Tapos ito, pag-book ka na. Miss na tayo.
Look away when falling apart.
Eva Marie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jim Rocky, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Jim Rocky and Eva Marie, are you both ready to raise as good questions the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Remember my why, who do I wanna be? I've lent you my eyes and then you changed what I see. My dear, you're the light and it brings love to me.
Sa araw na to, hindi ako nangangako ng masayang buhay lang. Pero isang buhay na kahit anong mangyari, pipiliin kong tayo maging palagi. Ikaw, ako, at si Happy.
It's days like these, you mean the most to me. You mean the most to me. On days like these, 'cause you see me, my world for what it is, and you speak of life like it's a gift. You're so naive, and you're so much more to me. 'Cause you see me, my world for what it is, and you speak of life like it's a gift. You're so naive, and you're so much more to me.
Sa mga susunod na panahon, ang tanging mahihiling ko lang ay gabayan tayo parehas ng Diyos sa buhay mag-asawa at sa pamilya. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Mahal na mahal kita. Asawa ko.
Now it's days like these.